Hello children, good morning to all of you. Today here I am going to explain the next topic of chapter 11, the universe. So topic name is man and space. Here we will try to know that what is the relationship between man and space. We humans are curious animals. Curious means learn something, or you can say eager to know means जानने की इच्छा रखने वाले. Okay, since ancient times we have been studying the stars and tracking the movement of heavenly bodies across the night sky. The first telescopes were developed in the early 17th century, and scientists were able to observe much more than what they could see when they only used their naked eyes. Through the ages, we have had many theories about the space and the universe. From the time when we believed that the earth is the center of the entire universe until now, when science has helped us reach and study objects in the distant space. The relationship between man and space has come a long way. So, according to the scientists, we all believed that the earth is the center of the entire universe until now, when science has helped us to reach and study objects in distant space. So there are many persons who has landed on space, like Nicholas Copernicus, Galileo Galilei, Albert Einstein, Sir Isaac Newton, Edwin Hubble, whatever. Okay, so here Nicholas Copernicus was the first person to say that the earth rotates on its own axis once every 24 hours, and that all the planets including earth went round the sun in circles. He said that the sun is the center of the universe. Galileo Galilei improved the first telescope and used them for scientific studies of the night sky. Today, as we know that earth rotates on its own axis once every 24 hours. But how? Because Nicholas Copernicus was the first person to say that earth rotates on its own axis. Okay? And we know that telescopes to help us to see the tiny objects because of Galileo Galilei. Okay? Because he improved the first telescopes. Sir Isaac Newton built the reflecting telescopes, a technology which is still used these days. He also developed the theory of gravity. Theory of gravity that extended far beyond Earth to space. Gravitational force. Due to gravitational force, all objects are attracted to each other. Next, Albert Einstein showed the relationship between space and time and matter and energy. Einstein showed the relationship between space and time as well as matter and energy. Edwin Hubble concluded that there were other galaxies outside of our own Milky Way, and that the universe is expanding. Expanding means make larger. The Hubble Space Telescope launched in 1990 has helped us study distant objects in a space far beyond our Milky Way galaxy. This telescope was named after Edwin Hubble. You can see here. Next person, Sir Stephen Hawking, 1948, his birth year, and 2018 his death year, will always be remembered as one of the most brilliant theoretical physicists in history. He is best known for his theory on the black holes and the origins and the structure of the universe. So he explained the structure of the universe. Russian cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin was the first person to reach space and orbit the Earth in April 1961. So this is very interesting because Yuri Gagarin was the first person to reach space and orbit the Earth in April 1961. Alexei Leonov, also a Russian cosmonaut, was the first person to walk. He was the first to reach space, but Alexei Leonov was the first person to walk in space in March 1965. Here, first woman Valentina Tereshkova to reach space in 1963. First person, lady, first woman. Okay. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. There are two persons were the first people to land on the moon in 1969. Now, space and India. Here, space and India. What is the relationship between space and our country? So we see here Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian astronaut to fly into space. Yuri Gagarin was the Russian. Alexei Leonov also a Russian cosmonaut. But here Rakesh Sharma belongs to our country, became the first Indian astronaut to fly into space. He said, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. When the then Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi asked him, how did India look from space? There have been many other astronauts of Indian origin who have traveled to space from missions all over the world. Okay. Next, Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla unfortunately passed away on February 1, 2003 when her shuttle Columbia disintegrated while entering the Earth's atmosphere just before landing. So, here Kalpana Chawla unfortunately passed. She is no there in our country. Unfortunately passed away on February 2003 when her shuttle Columbia disintegrated. Disintegrated means break up into a small part entering the Earth's atmosphere just before landing. That's why, so that she has died. Okay. So students, in this way we have finished this chapter. Now we will do objective question answer. Okay, but here you have to read these points. Now I know. Please read these points carefully, because it helps to find their answers. Okay, so guys, please do question number 1, question number 2, question number 2. Okay, this is your homework. Please do and do it and show me your work. Okay, that's it. Thank you.